Hello, and welcome back. In this video series, I will show you how to set up confirmation and reminder messages that are essential for maintaining great customer service and potentially increasing your sales. These automated messages are used for sending notifications to customers when they add products to their cart but haven't completed the order, or when they have finished their purchase. Let's get started. From your e-commerce dashboard, click on Confirmation and Reminder. First, let's explore what happens when a customer completes an order. Immediately after a purchase, a checkout message is automatically sent to the customer. This message confirms their order details, including the item type, price, quantity, payment method, and delivery details, depending on the channel you are using, whether it's Messenger, email, or SMS. Additionally, these messages can be customized by you. Providing immediate confirmation is crucial for reassuring customers about their purchase and enhancing their overall experience. Now, let's address a common challenge: customers adding products to their cart but not completing the purchase. This is where reminder messages become essential. Our system allows you to send up to 3 reminder messages to gently nudge customers toward finalizing their purchase. Enter the message here, and the image of the abandoned product will be displayed as a carousel, along with other product details. You can also add an additional message to align with your marketing strategy. Do the same for the other remaining reminders. Remember, you can use any of the 3 available channels depending on your preference. Customizing the timing of these reminders is easy. You can select the timing for each reminder using the drop-down list next to each option. For example, you might schedule the first reminder to send an hour after cart abandonment, the second reminder 3 hours later, and perhaps a third reminder a couple of several hours after that. Tailor the timing to match the level of follow-up you desire for potential customers. Don't forget to hit Save to apply your changes. Lastly, click on Reminder Report to view the details of the reminder messages sent to customers. This marks the end of this video. In the next series, we will cover how to set up delivery methods and shipping zones. Thank you for watching.